It's like living in an ocean out here.
I know.
Whoa, look at that. You can't even see through the rain. Charlotte, move. At least somebody's happy. Look at the ducks. They're just all like, yay, rain.
I'm in a mist.
Look, you can't even see past the fence.
Whoa.
Woo!
You can't?
No, check out over there.
Look, it knocked out neighbor's.
I know.
It did. Ow!
It bent it. Look, it's like making ripples in the road.
I know. It's probably gonna flood.
Look at all the ducks. They're like, wow.
This is probably gonna be the first flash flood that ever came true.
What? They're just doing circles up. Check it out. Look at that. That is bad.
What?
Look, you can't even see.
See what?
Or like barely. Look how hard it's coming down right there. There's a puddle on the porch.
Yeah.
Whoa, get back!
Okay.
Check out the tree.
So windy.
Check out all the puddles. Okay, I'm turning it off. Woo!
Okay.
That is a good